Insanely amazing jalapeno cheese dip. Take this delicious 5-minute prep jalapeno cheese dip to BBQs, cookouts, parties, or any other occasion. This dish will make you the most popular person there. Serve with bread, crackers, or chips. Ingredients: 1 4-ounce condensed jalapeno peppers, 1 cup shredded Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup mayonnaise, 1 4-ounce chopped green chilies, 1 round loaf sourdough bread. Add all ingredients to list. Directions: preheat an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees C. Combine jalapeno peppers, Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, and green chilies in a bowl. Cut the top off of the sourdough bread and hollow out the center to create a bowl. Fill the bread bowl with the jalapeno mixture. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 minutes.